Don't make that mistake. It is a doozy. So I just made a huge mistake. I totally forgot to seal up the gap between my mast and the deck plate. So last night we had a bunch of rain, and this is the result of that. As you can see, it just came down everywhere. It's all down the mast. I had to jam this towel up in there to stop the leaking so bad. And all that really did was direct the water. It was so bad that I had to pull up the carpet, and we'll have to let that dry out. So we're going to start this off by getting that all dried up, and then I'll come back around with the Sikaflex and I'll pump it in there, and then I'll just smooth it out with my finger to make a nice seal. Hopefully that does the trick. And then we'll do the same thing to the outside, dry it up, get the Sikaflex on there, and that should give us enough protection against everything that it stops the leak for good. So while I let that set up, I think I'm just going to go for a little bit of a hike down to one of the old fortifications in Halifax here. I'll take you guys along. So I kind of just like coming to these places because there's like a lot of history in them, and it's kind of cool to see what you can get into. So there's all kinds of these cool bunkers here that you can kind of explore. People have kind of graffitied them. So this is the Yorkshire Battery. It was a big gun mounted up here, and it was to defend the U-boat net that they had running between here and McNabb's Island in the middle of the harbor there. It's pretty graffitied right now. It's been this way for a while, but some of it's pretty cool.
So just got done climbing all around there and going to the different batteries. So gonna climb back up the hill back to the fort and see what else we can find up there. So the sealant's all set and it looks like it's good to go. No leaks as of yet. Yeah, so successful day. See you next time.